This shot has synchronized dialogue, ambient sound, and a camera move I specified down to the lens profile. One platform, one render, no editing. Here's the thing about AI video right now. It feels like a slot machine. You type a prompt, hit generate, and you hope the algorithm picks a decent camera angle. Maybe the hand looks normal right now, maybe the physics makes sense. And if you want audio, that's a different tool. Consistent character, another platform. Readable text in your shot, good luck. I have been stitching together 4 or 5 services just to get one usable clip. Then I found one platform that changed everything, and it's called Higgsfield. By the end of this video, you will know how to go from a single idea to a finished cinematic shot with controlled camera movement, synchronized audio, and consistent characters, all in one platform. This is not for people who want to generate random clips. This is for creators who wants to direct. Watch this. I'm starting with a text prompt, generating a hero frame with readable text and correct object count, selecting a specific camera lens, Sony, shallow depth of field, adding a track left pan right movement, and rendering with native dialogue and ambient sound. 15 seconds of footage, voice, ambience, and motion locked in. No post-production editing, no separate tools. Notice what's not happening here. I am not fixing hands in post. I am not regenerating because the camera decided to do a random dolly zoom. I told it what I wanted and it listened. This is Higgsfield AI, and this workflow, they call it Cinema Studio. It's the first end-to-end filmmaking pipeline I have used that actually feels like directing instead of gambling. Head to Higgsfield.ai. You can start with a free tier to test the workflow before committing. What you are looking at is a unified platform with multiple specialized models. Nano Banana Pro for images, Kling 2.6 for audio native video, 2.5 for uncensored generation, and Cinema Studio tying it all together. The key insight here, each model has a specific strength. The workflow is about chaining them intelligently, not hoping one model does everything. Great videos start with a great frame, and Nano Banana Pro is the most underrated part of this pipeline. This isn't just an image generator, it's a reasoning engine. Watch what happens when I ask for specific details. I am asking for readable text with specific prices, a special hair color, and a specific lighting condition. Look at that menu. The text is sharp, the prices are correct, the character has curly red hair. This is visual reasoning. The model understands the logic of what I'm asking, not just the aesthetic. Most AI image models fail here. You ask for a sign and get gibberish. You ask for 3 cups and get 5. Nano Banana Pro handles counting, text rendering, and spatial relationships. And once you have a frame you like, upscale to 4K. This becomes your reference image, the anchor for everything that follows. Now we take that image into Cinema Studio. This is the part where you stop being prompter and become a director. I am importing my coffee shop frame as the starting point. Cinema Studio sees this as my first frame. The composition, the lighting, the characters are now locked. Here's what makes this different. The virtual camera rack, instead of hoping the AI picks a nice angle, you specify the camera. Ari Alexa for the broadcast look, Sony for cinematic color science, IMAX for scale. These aren't just filters, they are lens profiles that affect depth of field, bokeh shape, and color response. Shallow depth of field focus on the barista. Background softly blurred. I am making cinematography decisions, not crossing my fingers. And for movement, this is where it gets interesting. You can stack multi-axis movement. A track left while panning right, that's a parallax move that creates depth. Or a crane up while tilting down, a reveal shot. These are specific filmmaking techniques, not random camera drift. A pretty shot is not a film until it has sound. This is the part that genuinely surprised me. Kling 2.6 audio generates video with native sound, voice, ambience, and effects in a single render pass. I am adding a dialogue line. Good morning, what can I start it for you? And specifying ambient sound, coffee shop background, espresso machine, soft music. The model is generating visuals and audio simultaneously. This is not text-to-speech pasted on top. The lip sync is built into the generation. Listen to that. The mouse movements match the words. The espresso machine hisses when it's visible in frame. The ambient music sits correctly in the mix.
Good morning. Here is the coffee you ordered.
I have spent hours fixing AI-generated video to separate generated audio, getting the timing right, adjusting weird mouse shapes. Kling 2.6 audio skips all of that. Now Kling is impressive, but there are prompts it won't touch. If you need something grittier, or more stylized, or just let's cooperate. That's 2.5. 1 is uncensored and culture native. It handles bold prompts, stylized aesthetic, and internet native references that other models flag. Action sequences, dramatic lighting, celebrity-inspired aesthetics, the kind of content that makes other platforms show you a content policy warning. You also get up to 10 seconds per generation in 1080, multiple aspect ratios for TikTok, Reels, YouTube, and the same native audio pipeline as Kling. A quick check-in. Here's what we have built so far. We have gone from text prompt to cinematic shot with synchronized sound. No external tools, no post-production, audio sync. One platform. Now let's talk about putting it all together into an actual workflow and when to use each model. Here's the frame to film workflow. Step 1. Draft your hero frame in Nano Banana Pro. Get the text right, the object count right, the character lock right. This is your foundation. Step 2. Import into Cinema Studio. Select your camera profile and lens. Set your motion path. This is your direction. Step 3. Choose your animation engine. Kling 2.6 for clean, commercial, audio native output. 2.5 for stylized, unrestricted, bold content. Step 4. Render and iterate. Use the same hero frame to generate multiple shots with consistent characters. Let's talk specifics. Rendering a 5-second Kling 2.6 clip with audio, about 45 seconds on standard settings, 4K upscale on Nano Banana Pro, under 30 seconds. Compare that to my old workflow. Generate image in Midjourney, animate in Runway, generate audio in ElevenLabs, sync in Premiere. That's 4 tools, 4 subscription, and about 20 minutes of manual work per clip. Higgsfield positioned itself as the cheapest platform in this space. I'm not going to quote exact prices because they change, but the free tier is generous enough to test a complete workflow before paying anything. Quick context on alternatives. Runway and Pika are still solid if you need their specific features. Runway's motion brush, Pika's lip sync tools. Sora is impressive, but waitlisted and expensive. Where Higgsfield shines is the integration. You are not bouncing between services. You are not re-uploading files. You are not praying that character consistency survive the handoff between tools. If you are building short-form content, ads, music videos, or just experimenting with AI filmmaking, this is the most complete single-platform option I have tested. Here's what surprised me while making this video. I did not fight the tools. I have spent months wrestling with AI video, generating shots because the camera did something weird, manually syncing audio, losing character consistency between clips. With Higgsfield, I described what I wanted, and it listened. The camera moved how I told it to move. The audio matched the visuals. The text was readable. That's not a small thing. That's the difference between a toy and a tool. Links to all are in the description, including the blog walkthrough and a promo code if you want to test the pro features. A real question here. What would you build if you could actually direct an AI video instead of just prompting it? A music video, a product ad, or something weird and experimental? Drop it in the comments. I actually read these. If this helped you understand the workflow, hit like. If I got something wrong about the tools, that's what this like is about. Thanks for watching.